Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to design pie chart in Excel. And this topic is one of the very important topic while learning Excel. So far, the purpose of Excel application software is concerned, we have already learned that it is an analysis software and it is used for three purposes. 1, 2, 3. Before Excel, we had a software in the market known as Lotus 123. Why 123? Because 1 represents one task, 2 represents second task, and 3 represents third task. The first task 1 is analysis 1. Analysis. Second is database. And the third one is graphics. So Excel is made for three tasks: analysis, database, and graphics. Today we are going to start the graphical work in Excel. The third major purpose of the Excel graphical task. First of all, we need to understand what is graphics. When do we use graphics, and what are the various types of graphical work in computer application? The shortest definition and a very clear definition about graph is a pictorial representation of data. The second definition of graph is the representation of any situation. The third definition of graph is a picture represents more than 1,000 words. क्या मतलब है इन सब चीज़ों का? मतलब ये है कि जिन चीज़ों को हम बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तरीके से किसी मास को, भीड़ को, ऑडियंस को कन्वे करते हैं, एक ग्राफ के मदद से बहुत आसानी से उस चीज़ को हम अपने ऑडियंस को एक झटके में समझा दें। जैसे कार ड्राइविंग करते हुए हम जा रहे हैं रोड पर और अचानक मुझे एक बड़ा सा बोर्ड मिलता है। उस बोर्ड में कुछ इस किस्म का फोटो बना हुआ है, खोपड़ी और ये हड्डी, कुछ इस किस्म का फोटो बना हुआ है और कुछ भी नहीं लिखा हुआ। क्या मतलब निकलता है? कॉमन सेंस कहता है डेंजर। इंस्टेड ऑफ अ रिटन communication, this one picture will alert the audience. It is a matter of common sense. बहुत अक्लमंद लोग ये भी सोच सकते हैं कि आगे नॉन वेज की दुकान हो सकती है, नॉन वेज रेस्टोरेंट। कुछ लोग ये भी समझ सकते हैं कि आगे कब्रिस्तान है। लेकिन हर एक पिक्चर, एक सिंबल किसी खास चीज़ के लिए फिक्स कर दिया जाता है, जिसे एक एजुकेटेड, एक मैच्योर लोग समझ सकते हैं और एक मैच्योर और समझदार पढ़े लिखे लोग आसानी से समझेंगे ये डेंजर। लेकिन कंफ्यूजन होने के चांसेस भी हैं। ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में कंफ्यूजन होने के चांसेस हैं, लेकिन देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ग्राफिक्स। वन इज मैथमेटिकल एंड द सेकेंड वन इज नॉन मैथमेटिकल। ग्राफिक्स के दो प्रकार, there are two types, mathematical and non-mathematical. This symbol is an example of non-mathematical pictorial representation. The whole traffic system is being handled by non-mathematical pictorial communication. यू टर्न का कुछ खास सिंबल है, रेलवे क्रॉसिंग का कुछ खास सिंबल है, रोड क्रॉसिंग के लिए जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग है, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। एक्सेल प्रोवाइड्स अ वेरी पावरफुल ग्राफिकल सपोर्ट, बट विच टाइप, मैथमेटिकल और नॉन मैथमेटिकल? मैथमेटिकल। एंड मैथमेटिकल में कंफ्यूजन के चांसेस नहीं हो सकते। मैथमेटिकल इज द एक्चुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा। ग्राफिकल ऑब्जेक्ट से जब हम कम्युनिकेट करते हैं ऑडियंस को, तो हमें कई बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं। पहला, इंटरेस्ट। और ग्राफिकल टेक्स्ट या नंबर से ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट करता है ऑडियंस को। दूसरा, जिस चीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी डेटा से आप कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, समझाएंगे ऑडियंस को, एक ग्राफ में एक झटके में आप समझा सकते हैं। एग्जाम्पल, मान लिया इंडिया और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का वनडे मैच चल रहा है। ऑस्ट्रेलिया बैटिंग कर चुका है, इंडिया का 45वां ओवर चल रहा है, बॉलर अभी बॉल ऐसे घिस रहा है और उतनी ही देर में आप देखते हैं कि स्क्रीन पे बस एक लाइन खिंचा गया और दिन भर के मैच का एक फोटो में आ गया कि हाउ ऑस्ट्रेलिया बैटेड एंड विच स्कोर ऑस्ट्रेलिया रीच्ड, व्हेन द विकेट फॉलन, हाउ इंडिया इज चेजिंग, what signifies will India chase or not, because it is only 45 over 5 overs left. So this is the power of graphical communication. Now in the first moment of the lecture, my objective was to discuss, to learn what is graphics, and now we are going to learn how do we do it in Excel practically. Excel provides various types of graph. Among them, first one is pie chart, column chart, bar, radar, dot-net, line graph. Likewise, we have many various types of charts available, but it must be very clear to everyone that every chart has a purpose, every graph has a suitability. For any particular purpose, a particular chart is suitable. So as an expert, executive, business manager, you must select the suitable chart. Like we have one example here on the board. You can see state and population in crore. A state is the subject and this is the data of the subject. Bihar 11 crore, UP 23 crores, MP 9 crores and Delhi 2 crores. So this is a subject and this is the data. When the subject has only one data, then pie chart is suitable. If we have the third column male and the fourth column female, total population, then how much male are there, how much female are there, then what is the situation then? The subject has 3 data, then the pie will not be suitable in that case. So let us talk about pie chart. When pie chart is suitable, when the subject has only one data. You do one thing, you select from A1 to B5, you create a range. This is the first step. The first step is put the data on the sheet. The second step, create the range. The third step, click on the insert menu. Click on the insert menu and there you will find a chart option. If you are using the latest version of Excel, then click on the insert tab and you will find a chart button on the toolbar. Click there. All the available charts and graphs provided by Excel come in front of you. Select pie. When you will click on the pie, further designs of the pie will turn up. You may select any one. The flat pie, the 3D pie, all pie is pie chart. Only the difference in appearance. You may select any one. Once you will select, then the pie chart will be created and Excel will ask two questions. The first question, Excel will ask you after selecting the pie chart and the further design of the pie, you want to embed this chart on that sheet, or you want to create a new chart sheet. See, click on embed as an object on the chart, and the chart will be embedded on that sheet only. What happens? You may find a circle. We all know the circle has 360 degree. Suppose this is for Delhi. Suppose this is for UP. This is for MP, and this is for Bihar. See, this is for UP. This is for Delhi. This is for Bihar, and this is for MP. This is not a random design. What happens, the angle of any pie chart is 360 degree, we all know. How the chart is plotted, what is the population of Bihar? 11. What is total? Just make it total. What is the percentage of population of Bihar of total population given here? And that percentage will be calculated from 360 degree, and that area will be occupied. The space in the pie chart will be allotted to every data according to the percentage of a data from total population. This is how mathematically when we draw the chart, then it is found to be 100% perfect. So in the first session of learning graph, we learned today how do we design pie chart, and we learned today the importance of graph. Thanks for joining the session. In the next class, we will learn the second type of graph. Thank you.